Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Robust and Scalable Systems. Hello, future AI developer. Let's start with the basics. What is artificial intelligence? Think of it as teaching computers to think and learn like humans, recognizing faces, understanding speech, or even recommending your next favorite movie. But here's a secret. Most AI today is like a single giant brain in one big data center. It's powerful, but it has some limitations. Today, we're going to explore a revolutionary idea: decentralized AI, which spreads that brain power out, making AI more robust and scalable, just like a super smart team working together. Imagine all the knowledge of the world and all the processing power stored in one massive library, or run by one supercomputer. That's essentially centralized AI. Large companies collect vast amounts of data, train huge AI models on powerful servers, and then deploy them. From a developer's perspective, this means you might rely on their APIs or their cloud infrastructure. While convenient, this approach faces issues. If that one supercomputer goes down, the AI stops working. Single point of failure. There are also privacy concerns because all your data is in one place, and it can be incredibly expensive and slow to scale up that one big system. Now, imagine instead of one giant library, we have thousands of smaller, specialized libraries, all connected and sharing resources. That's the core idea behind decentralized AI. Instead of one central computer doing all the work, many smaller computers or devices, owned by different people or organizations, work together as a network. From a developer's perspective, this means your AI applications won't be reliant on a single service provider. You're building systems that can leverage distributed resources, making them inherently more resilient and flexible. So, why go through the trouble of decentralizing? Because it gives AI superpowers. Firstly, robustness. If one part of the network fails, the others keep going. Like a healthy city where if one street closes, traffic can still flow. Secondly, scalability. It's easy to add more mini-brains to the network as needed, handling more tasks without hitting bottlenecks. Thirdly, privacy. Data doesn't have to leave your device or your organization to help train the AI. And finally, fairness and transparency. No single entity controls the entire system, leading to more open and democratic AI development. As a developer, this means creating AI that's more trustworthy and resilient. You might be wondering, how do all these separate brains talk to each other and work together? One key ingredient is federated learning. Imagine you have a special recipe, but you don't want to share your unique ingredients with anyone. Federated learning lets AI models learn from data stored on many different devices, like your phone or a hospital's server, without that data ever leaving those devices. Only the lessons learned, the updated parts of the AI model, are shared and combined. Another component is blockchain or distributed ledger technologies, DLT, which act like a secure, shared notebook to coordinate efforts and ensure trust among all the different participants, without a central authority. As a developer, this is where it gets exciting. Imagine building AI applications where you can tap into a global network of computing power or securely contribute your own data, while keeping it private, to help train larger, better AI models. Your toolkit might include libraries for federated learning, frameworks for interacting with decentralized networks, and tools to create smart contracts on blockchains to automate how AI tasks are distributed and compensated. You're not just writing code, you're orchestrating a symphony of distributed intelligence, creating a new paradigm for how AI is developed and deployed. Decentralized AI isn't just a concept. It's already shaping the future. Think about highly private AI for healthcare diagnostics, where patient data never leaves the hospital. Resilient AI for self-driving cars, where cars learn from each other without a central server. Or even collaborative AI for scientific research. As a developer, the best way to get started is to dive in. Look for open source projects related to federated learning or decentralized machine learning. Experiment with basic blockchain concepts. The exciting part is, you're not just learning AI. You're learning to build the next generation of AI, one that's more robust, private, and accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.